If your cucumber leaves are turning yellow, don't panic right away. This happens quite often and usually means the plant is trying to tell you something is off in its growing conditions. The good thing is, most of the time you can fix it with a few simple changes in care. First thing to look at is the soil around the plant. If the ground is hard or packed down, water can't move through it properly and the roots don't get enough air. When that happens, the plant gets stressed and the leaves can start turning yellow. After watering or rain, the top layer of soil often becomes crusty. Gently loosen or lightly till the top few inches around the plant. Don't dig deep because cucumber roots are shallow and can get damaged easily. Just break up that hard surface so air and water can move better. This helps the roots breathe and take nutrients more easily. Better drainage often brings quick improvement in color and growth. Try doing this after watering so the soil stays loose longer. It prevents water from sitting in one place, which can lead to root rot in heavy soil. Another common issue is lack of nutrients. Cucumbers grow fast, so they pull a lot of food from the soil. If the soil gets low on nutrients, the leaves, especially older ones, start turning pale or yellow. The most important one is nitrogen, which keeps leaves green and healthy. Potassium helps with strong fruits, and phosphorus supports root development. When any of these are missing, the plant shows stress. You may also notice stunted growth along with yellowing when nutrients are too low. A simple way to feed your plants is by using compost mixed with molasses and water. Compost gives a steady supply of nutrients and improves the soil structure. Molasses feeds the helpful microbes in the soil, and those microbes break down nutrients so the plant can use them better. Mix well-rotted compost in a bucket of water and add a small spoon of molasses. Stir it well and let it sit for a few hours before pouring it around the base of the plant. Doing this every couple of weeks can slowly improve plant health and bring back green color. This also helps improve soil texture over time and keeps moisture balanced without making the soil too soggy. Sometimes yellow leaves are not caused by soil or nutrients at all. Small pests can be the problem. Insects like aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites suck sap from the leaves. When they feed, the plant loses strength and the leaves start turning yellow or even develop spots. If you check closely, you might see tiny insects hiding under the leaves. A simple way to deal with this is neem oil spray. Mix neem oil in lukewarm water and stir or shake it well so it blends properly. Spray it on the leaves, especially underneath where pests usually hide. It's better to spray early in the morning or in the evening so strong sunlight doesn't harm the leaves. Regular spraying can reduce pests and protect new growth. With loosened soil, proper feeding, and pest control, cucumber plants usually bounce back well. Keep watching them for a few days and you'll often notice the yellowing slow down and fresh, healthy green leaves starting to return. New growth usually appears lighter green at first, before becoming fully healthy again.